In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create Facebook content for your business. If you want to save time and still show up consistently on Facebook, this is a simple process you can follow. The goal is not just to post more, but to create content that actually fits your business, speaks to your audience, and helps you learn what works over time. Start by opening ChatGPT and describing your business or niche clearly. Give a short explanation of what you offer, who you help, and the kind of audience you want to attract. The more specific your description is, the better the ideas will be. This gives ChatGPT the context it needs to create content that feels relevant instead of generic. Next, ask ChatGPT to create Facebook post ideas. You can use it to brainstorm educational posts, engagement posts, promotional content, behind the scenes ideas, or anything else that matches your goals. This is a great way to avoid staring at a blank screen and wondering what to post next. Instead of coming up with everything from scratch, you're giving yourself a starting point that you can shape into your own content. Once you have the ideas, use ChatGPT to write captions for your audience. Ask for captions that match the post ideas and speak in a way your audience would understand and respond to. This step helps turn raw ideas into usable content that's much easier to publish. You can also ask ChatGPT for Facebook Live topics or interview questions. This is especially helpful if you want to create more interactive content, build authority, or start conversations with your audience. Having questions prepared ahead of time can make your live sessions feel more organized and natural. After that, use ChatGPT to create content for images, reels, and stories. This helps you repurpose one idea into multiple formats, which makes your content strategy more efficient. You're not creating from zero every time, you're expanding on the same message in different ways. Before posting, adjust the tone so everything sounds like your brand. If your business voice is friendly, professional, bold, calm, or playful, make sure the content reflects that. This step is important because even strong content works better when it feels consistent with your brand identity. Then schedule the content on your Facebook page so you can stay consistent without needing to post manually every day. Planning ahead gives you more control and makes your marketing feel less stressful. Finally, track which posts get the most engagement and improve from there. Look at what people respond to, what gets comments, shares, or clicks, and use that information to guide future content. Over time, this helps you create better posts with less guesswork and much stronger results.